Welcome to Jobwerld.com, where we do the job of connecting buyers with the best Caribbean real estate opportunities. Today, we're taking you inside another incredible property in the Caribbean, so stay tuned.
Nestled in the desirable community of Bloomfield Mandeville, Manchester, you will find this well-maintained, beautifully renovated townhouse. It consists of 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, offering the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. The floor space is approximately 1,826 square feet. The home features a bright, open-concept living and dining area, a modern kitchen with quartz countertops and solid wood cabinetry, spacious bedrooms, tastefully updated bathrooms, laundry area with wash tub, a private balcony, and an enclosed automatic garage. A move-in ready home that is perfect for families, professionals, or investors seeking quality living in one of Mandeville's most desirable locations. Ideally located just minutes from schools, shopping, restaurants, medical facilities, and Mandeville Town Center.